Hello everyone, this is Jim Chen representing as a sales manager in Sincere Pioneer. It's my pleasure to have you here with me. Firstly, Sincere Pioneer is a professional lasting and soul attaching machine manufacturer from Taiwan. Now let us have a look at our products. Sincere Pioneer only focuses on toe lasting machines, heel and side lasting machine, seat lasting machine, and soul attaching press. Here is an example that SP soul touch and press working in TISM IoT line. As long as the pressing machine equipped with the TISM smart box, we could upload our pressing time, pressures, and movement of each model to IoT system in real time. You will be noticed if there is an incorrect operation, inefficient pressing time, or setting immediately. Let's talk about today's main topic, automation. We had successfully combined our lasting machine and soul touching press with the robotic arm, as you can see in the video. This video is one project that we had with Taoyuan Group in Dongguan. The 4 stations rotary type soul touching press customized under the safety regulations by Adidas. The second video is an automation concept we work with Highwind to combine robotic arm with heel and side lasting machine in 2012. After toe lasting, we use robotic arm instead of worker to replace the shoes on heel and side lasting machine, and after lasting, the arm unload the shoes to a conveyor. I know you might find it inefficient. The arm is really slow. Still, just like I said, it was a concept of IoT that we had in 2012. The third video is also a robotic arm combined with the soul attaching press. But this time we had 2 station soul touching press. Now let's have a look at what are the latest developments on toe lasting machine. Tracer cementing system instead of cementing applicator, which could reduce time in changing shoe models. Visual locus system, which is a very simple and user-friendly setting system even an ordinary worker can operate. Compared with the traditional cementing system, SP servo cement feeding could save up to 70% on cement cost, up to 3,000 different programmable shoe models. The following video will show you the performance of our advanced toll velocity machine. This is the infrastructure of Sincere Pioneer. Our head office and factory is in Taichung, Taiwan. The other factory is in Dongguan, China. Today we will focus on the Vietnam office. We have two offices in Vietnam, one in Ho Chi Minh City, the other one in Hai Phong. We have 2 Taiwanese sales, 4 Chinese technicians, 5 Vietnamese employees working in our Vietnam office. We held a maintenance training class every half year since 2006, located in our Dongguan factory. However, we have started the class in Vietnam and Cambodia from 2019. For further information, you could ask our regional manager Mr. Wang, who has more than 20 years experiences in shoe industry. He and our salesman, Mr. Liu, are participating in this conference with you today. We are also capable of providing remote technical support. Now you can see the WeChat history example, that how we helped our customer to solve problems through video or text communications. Also, we provide operational training video and machine instruction video on the YouTube channel. Thank you for listening today. Please let us know if you have any question. Here's my WeChat QR code and YouTube QR code. Do not hesitate to share and subscribe.